Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to set this up fast. First, confirm your phone supports Face Unlock and that you've registered a clear face profile in System Settings. Once done, update WhatsApp to the latest version so it recognizes device biometrics. Now open WhatsApp and keep your phone unlocked. You'll switch on app-level screen lock next. Make sure lighting is good when registering your face so recognition is reliable. This reduces false rejects and speeds daily unlocks. Next, you flip the app switch. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, right arrow Account, right arrow Privacy, then tap Screen Lock or Fingerprint Lock depending on platform. If you're on iPhone, select Use Face ID. On Android, choose the biometric option and allow WhatsApp to use system credentials. Some Androids map Face Unlock to that. Once enabled, choose the lock timeout, immediately 1 minute, 30 minutes. This controls convenience versus security. Shorter time means more secure. Finish by testing it. Close WhatsApp, reopen, and expect a Face ID or biometric prompt. If it fails, re-register your face in phone settings with consistent lighting and remove any obstructing accessories like hats or heavy glasses. Once you've re-registered, restart the phone and re-enable WhatsApp's screen lock option to refresh permissions. If problems persist, check app permissions for biometric access and update system software. That single troubleshooting step solves most recognition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.